We create a strong relationship with crews across Europe in different countries and different projects because we found a supplier that have the flexibility we need. We would like to change the automation technology in order to improve our throughput, improve our productivity, but also to have a better space utilization.
Our wide range of solutions, which includes Tote-to-Person, Tote-to-Person, and Pallet-to-Person, makes this job really easier because from the initial idea to the final one, we have different possibilities to tailor the solution based on the customer's business needs.
For Dr.Max, automation is the key for the success.